The Grantha script was widely used between the 6th century and the 20th centuries by Tamil speakers in South India, particularly in Tamil Nadu and Kerala, to write Sanskrit and the classical language Manipravalam, and is still in restricted use in traditional Vedic schools. It is a Brahmic script, having evolved from the Brahma script in Tamil Nadu. The Malayalam script is a direct descendant of Grantha, as are the Tigalari and Sinhala alphabets. The rising popularity of Devanagari for Sanskrit and the political pressure created by the Tanit Tamilayakam for its complete replacement by the modern Tamil script led to its gradual disuse and abandonment in Tamil Nadu in the early 20th century. Except for specialized Hindu religious literature, Grantha script still lives in Tamil Nadu, albeit in reduced state. History. In Sanskrit, Grantha is literally a knot. It is a word that was used for books, and the script used to write them. This stems from the practice of binding inscribed palm leaves using a length of thread held by knots. Although Sanskrit is now mostly written with Devanagari, Grantha was widely used to write Sanskrit in the Tamil-speaking parts of South Asia until the 19th century. Scholars believe that the Grantha script was used when the Vedas were first put into writing around the 5th century CE. In the early 20th century, it began to be replaced by Devanagari in religious and scholarly texts and the Tamil script in popular texts. The Grantha script was also historically used for writing Manipravalam, a blend of Tamil and Sanskrit which was used in the exegesis of Manipravalam texts. This evolved into a fairly complex writing system which required that Tamil words be written in the Tamil script and Sanskrit words be written in the Grantha script. By the 15th century, this had evolved to the point that both scripts would be used within the same word. If the root was derived from Sanskrit, it would be written in the Grantha script, but any Tamil suffixes which were added to it would be written using the Tamil script. This system of writing went out of use when Manipravalam declined in popularity, but it was customary to use the same convention in printed editions of texts originally written in Manipravalam until the middle of the 20th century. In modern times, the Grantha script is used in certain religious contexts by Orthodox Tamil-speaking Hindus. Most notably, they use the script to write a child's name for the first time during the Namakarana naming ceremony, and to write the Sanskrit portion of traditional wedding cards and announcements of a person's last rites. It is also used in many religious almanacs to print traditional formulaic summaries of the coming year. Types of Grantha. Grantha script may be classified as follows. Pallava Grantha. An archaic and ornamental variety of Grantha is sometimes referred to as Pallava Grantha. They were used by the Pallava in some inscriptions. Mimelapuram inscriptions, Tiruchirappalli rock-cut cave inscriptions, Kailasantho inscription come under this type. The Pallavas also produced a distinctive script separate from the Grantha family. Western Grantha. The Tigalari Malayalam script is called Western Grantha. Currently two varieties are used: Brahmanic, or square, and Jain, or round. The Tigalari Malayalam script was a variety of Grantha dating from the 8th or 9th century AD. It later split into two distinct scripts, Tigalari and Malayalam. This type of Grantha was used by Coles approximately from 650 CE to 950 CE. Inscription of later Pallavas and Pandyan Nedunchezian are also examples for this variety of Grantha script. Medieval Grantha inscriptions of the imperial Thanjavur Coles are an example for medieval Grantha. This variety was in vogue from 950 CE to 1250 CE. Modern Grantha in the present form descended from later Pandyas and the Vijayanagara rulers. The modern form of Grantha is very similar to Malayalam alphabet and the modern Tamil script. Grantha encoding. The font used in the following tables is Grantha taken from INDOLIPI. The glyphs below denote the late form of Grantha script, which can be noticed by its similarity with the modern Tamil script. Vowels, consonants. As with other Abugida scripts, Grantha consonant signs have the inherent vowel a. Its absence is marked with virama. For other vowels, diacritics are used. Sometimes ligatures of consonants with vowel diacritics may be found, e.g., there are also a few special consonant forms with virama. Consonant clusters. Grantha has two ways of representing consonant clusters. Sometimes, consonants in a cluster may form ligatures. Ligatures are normally preferred whenever they exist. If no ligatures exist, stacked forms of consonants are written, just as in Kannada and Telugu, with the lowest member of the stack being the only live consonant and the other members all being vowelless. Note that ligatures may be used as members of stacks also. Special forms: ya when final in a cluster, and ra when non-initial become and respectively. These are often called ya fala and ra vatu in other Indic scripts. Ra as initial component of a cluster becomes and is shifted to the end of the cluster but placed before any ya fala. Grantha numbers text samples. The Grantha text of each sample is followed by a transliteration into Latin and Devanagari scripts. Example 1. Taken from Kalidas's Kumari Sambhavar Masjyatarasiyam Disa Devatatma Himalayo Nama Nagadaraja. Purva Pariyatoyanadi Vagahayasti Tarpi Arthavyariva Manadana. Example 2. Saint John chapter 3 verse 16. By comparing the old print from 1886 with the modern version given below, one may see the difficulties the typesetter had with Grantha. Yata is varo jagatit prima karkara yanaja, mikajatam putram dada tasmin visvaja sarvamanasio yatha narvinasyanantam jivanam lapsiate. Vowel signs. Note: as in Devanagari, an O in Grantha stand for E and O. Originally also Malayalam in Tamil scripts did not distinguish long and short E and O, though both languages have the phonemes E and O. The addition of extra signs for E and O is attributed to the Italian missionary Costanzo Beschi. Consonant signs. The letters and the corresponding sounds occur only in Dravidian languages. Another table that compares the consonants ga, kha, ga, gha, na with other southern Indic scripts such as Grantha, Tigalari, Malayalam, Kannada and Sinhala. Unicode. Grantha script was added to the Unicode standard in June 2014 with the release of version 7.0. The Unicode block for Grantha is U+11300 U+1137F.